Come on out. It's okay. Thanks, sweetie. It's not much, but it's home for now. Come here. Some water. Come here. Hey, psst, psst, psst. Bless you. Nala. Come here, baby. Come here. Some water. Let me get you some food. And first meal at your new home. Don't eat it too fast. Here. You're gonna be a messy eater, huh? Now it is gonna get a little warm in here, so I'll put this fan on. Where should I put your bed, huh? Got the litter, got the scratching post, got the food and water. All temporary living quarters. Until you get along with the new guys. Or until you get along with the Mac and Chase, I should say. Did Grandpa's shirt in there. Get out! I told you, you're not getting in there. Hey! Come on. Come on. You're not meeting the kitten yet. Oh, God. Come on. You got yourself in there. Now come on out. There we go. You're not going to meet the kitten yet. He just got home. Excuse me. No. You're not going to meet her yet. You have to wait a little while. Careful, baby. You have to wait a little while. think I'm going to put that gate closer to the door, if I can. You go tell Chase there's a new kitten in the house. What's the matter, baby? Chase, dude. Come on, you gotta go look at it. Come on. Psst, psst, psst. You gonna sniff the door too? Mac! Where you went? Chase! You don't care. Am I gonna have to put you away just to get in the door? You're not getting in. No. Not yet. She just got home. I'm sorry, baby. You have to give her some time to get used to the place first. What do you think? You roll over for me? There we go. Oh. Think you could do okay here, huh? Mac is trying to get in. You're gonna do alright, baby. Yes, you are. We'll take care of that sneeze. We'll take care of your goopy eyes. Now we'll figure out what that is. I don't think she likes the way it tastes. Our boys didn't like it too much either. I was just hoping you might like it. Oh, sweetheart. You're such a sweetheart. Welcome to your new home. At least part of it. You'll get to know the rest of it soon. For now, we'll stick you in this one room. And we'll get you a leash and a harness so we can go outside still, because I know you love being outside. And if you and Matt can get along, then we'll get him one too. Okay? Oh, I could feel you purr. I wish I could hear it. I wish I could hear it. Oh, Mac. Hush, baby. I can't spend too much time in here. I need to let the boys know I still love them. I just want to make sure you're settled. Alright. So, you got a scratchy thing, you got a litter, you got a bed with your daddy's blanket. You got food and water. And later on I'll bring you some toys and a brush, okay? Alright. And you'll get a collar too. You get your very own collar. And purple for girls. Purple for girls. Let you use Audrey's old collar. I'm sure she won't mind. What are you trying to do, Mac? You're not allowed in yet. No, you're not allowed in yet. Not yet. Leave Kitty alone. Where are you, sweetie? You're a sweetheart. Fearless little thing, aren't you? Yes, you are fearless. Are we growling? Are we growling? Yeah, we're growling a little bit. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. No spraying, okay? I'm gonna get you fixed soon. No spraying, okay? Mac just wants to meet you, I'm sure. You'll be alright.